年度的生死难给和其他的这个工作了，那这等等工作的有的有些是可以包括结工的那个，因为让我觉得我就是对个别的，你最近的年终的嘛都是虽然属于，第就是嘛，他们的工作的有的有些是可以，比如集中操作些，那的那个是呢，全民连坐。那北面连坐，多个区域跟住，就是咱们去个，我们去个，你比如说这路错过，比咱这错过这些工作，错过结我们呢，就我到都是什么去对这的甚至那个的，大陆给恰恰有那样子，储备出去几百套了，你不给上过了从，那等于要我们就拿些陪你，出去经济了，你们这接受的，等等都怎么样？出去经济套了，你们这接受等等都。就兄弟的财富那一趟，那兄弟程度，当然是你们能够给个财产是不的，需要他们谢谢。按这个的出去当过的做个谢谢，你出去当过那个工作谢谢，给民选择养老的谢谢。按这个对了样子样的，他们谢当，你给没当这个都是谢谢，你应该去这种都是谢谢，也是谢谢。按第一对了了，当然我都有的女就是可以的，谁给你们？干嘛嘛？你们几个都是的话，俺实在呢，通过学那个里面的，可以那就是那这些，你们学那些别说呢，那第二种的个小众的嘛，那你呢切的什么？第二种的这世界观的还来给就切的什么？层面你们学那个那世界，我就说我给推门上的不属于。
Well, I guess everyone must be ready for the 67th Tibetan National Uprising Day to be held on March 10th. It's kind of a national holiday for us every year. It's the same date, there's no change, so I'm sure everyone must have taken the day off, as always. We are here, we are the 8 organizing committee organizations consisting of the Tibetan community of New York and New Jersey, and then we have represented from the Regional Tibetan Youth Congress, the Regional Tibetan Women's Association, from the Usam Cholka and the Dome Cholka, as well as from USTC, US Tibet Committee, and we have the Students for Free Tibet who were not able to come today. And myself, I'm the president of the regional Dongam Chushkundu. So I'm just wanting to say whatever our president said in English, that it'll be starting at 8 a.m. at Cadman Plaza, Brooklyn Bridge, as always. It's there in the flyer, it's in Tibetan and in English for everyone to see. Just in case you're not able to make it at 8 o'clock, you can, meet the marchers on the road, and at 11 o'clock they'll be starting the speeches, beginning with the National Uprising song at the United Nations, and from there, from 1 o'clock, they'll be marching to the Chinese consulate for more speeches, and of course there'll be demonstrations with all the slogans. This is one day that every Tibetan all over the world gets together, and I'm sure that New York and New Jersey is not going to let anyone down. They'll be here in thousands, I hope. And the reason I'm saying they will be is that this year I'm going for a general body meeting in Delhi, India, for Dongam Chushkundu. So I will not be president, my vice president will be taking over. But nevertheless, as always, please, everyone, come over. This is one day that we really get together for our country, Tibet, for all that's happening in Tibet, as thinking about all our Tibetan brothers and sisters, all who have lost their lives for our country. So it's imperative that everyone comes on this day, and I'm sure you will. And I look forward to seeing you all live with thousands of heads. And I shall be joining the 10th March in Delhi.